Hello everyone. Are you looking for the evidence analysis you need when writing about the theme of family? Well, look no further. The aim of this video is to provide you with all the information you need to help you achieve the very highest marks when being asked to explore the theme of family in a tragic play, Romeo and Juliet. What we'll do now is run through a plethora of key quotes and analysis that you can include. So let's begin. Romeo salute Tybalt, Romeo must not live. Justice and honour at this time are pivotal to social order, and this is fully exemplified in this quote. The use of rhyming couplets helps to not only create the sense of tied consequence to such an action, they help to also engender a sense of finality. The modal verb must also helps to certify the notion that no other alternative can be sought, although Romeo is then banished. Do as thou wilt, for I am done with thee. The cold relationship between mother and daughter is finalised here through the Lexis done. Lady Capulet has also chosen to follow the wishes of her husband rather than listen to the pleading of her child. Hang, beg, starve, die in the streets. Upon her refusal to marry Paris, Lord Capulet enters into an aggressive tirade with his daughter, uttering numerous violent verbs such as hang to indicate that going against his will means death, which ironically it did. The use of minor sentences also reflects a small amount of time Lord Capulet now has for his daughter. Put up your swords, so you know not what you do. Benvolio is trying to calm the brawl and restore peace to Verona. Lexis Fools indicates that the character sees their behaviour as foolish and one that needs altering. You know not what you do also highlights that the character can see the implications of such events and tries to act upon it, which is why Romeo keeps his marriage secret from him. The line also mirrors the words of Christ on the cross, and therefore Benvolio is a peacekeeper who is trying to bring about an end to the violence between the families. She will be ruled by me. Lord Capulet exerts his patriarchal dominance here, insisting that his daughter will do his bidding in this declarative sentence. The modal verb will highlights that the character has no doubt that he will be obeyed. Deny thy father and refuse thy name. Uttered aloud on the balcony, the character's musing over the difficulty that Romeo's family name brings with it. She requires the character in this exchange to reject patriarchal control in order for them to be together. This, of course, he does, and leads their tragic demise. What art thou drawn among these heartless hinds? Turn thee, Benvolio, look upon thy death. The introduction of the character Tybalt. He is instantly identified as an aggressive figure who has no qualms of injuring others, particularly Montagues. The metaphor heartless hinds suggests they are female deer, weak and full of fear. The adjective heartless is a pun, and male deer is also known as a hart. The quote is also mocking Benvolio for being involved in the conduct of individuals who Tybalt sees as below himself, again demonstrating the superiority the character feels, which is why he takes slander so badly. Talk of peace. I hate the word as I hate hell, all Montagues, and thee. The repetition of Alexis' hate indicates that Tybalt is a fiery character full of anger. It also helps to foreshadow why the character is unforgiving when it comes to the actions of anyone associated with the Montague family. We'll consider Mercutio's death there. The interrogative sentences suggest the character doesn't understand the notion of peace or is incredulous to it. So there's a great selection of analysis and evidence that you should be using. It's now up to you to make sure you're practicing including it in your work. So thank you. Good luck.